Hello students, today we see some more examples in practice set 5.2. Here third example is find the ratio in which t of -1,6 divides the line segment joining the points p of -310 and q of 6 8. Now first we consider let t of -1,6 is equivalent to t of xy divides segment PQ divides line joining line segment joining the points P of -310 is equivalent to P of x1 y1 and Q of 6 8 is equivalent to Q of x2 y2 in the ratio m is to n. Now we have to find this ratio, that is m is to n. Now therefore bisection formula we have to find only this ratio. Here we have to find the ratio m is to n. Therefore bisection formula, first write down value of x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Now here it is not necessary to write y coordinate to find y coordinate, because we have to find only this ratio m is to n. Now put values. Value of x is -1 is equal to m into x2. Now what is value of x2? This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Value of x2 is 6 plus n into x1 is -3 divided by m plus n. Therefore -1 is equal to 6m minus 3n divided by m plus n. Now here taking cross multiplication, multiplying by -1, that is minus m, or we can write this as 6m minus 3n. First write down 6m minus 3n is equal to, multiplying by -1, minus m minus n. Now take terms of m to the left hand side. Therefore 6m plus m is equal to minus n, minus becomes plus 3n. Therefore 7m is equal to 2n. We have to find the ratio m is to n. Therefore m upon n is equal to, now what is value of m upon n? M upon n is equal to 2 upon 7. Is equal to 2 upon 7. Therefore m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7. Now we have to find the ratio in which t divides segment PQ. Therefore t divides segment PQ in the ratio 2:7. In the ratio 2:7. Right, on question number 4. Point P is the center of the circle. Point P is the center of the circle. Point P is the center of the circle. Point P is the center of the circle, and AB is a diameter. And AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. Find the coordinates of point B. Find the coordinates of point B. Find the coordinates of point B. If coordinates of A and P are, if coordinates of A and P are, coordinates of A and P are 2 minus 3 and minus 2 0 minus 2 0 respectively. Now here, point P is the center of the circle and AB is its diameter. Now by using given we draw the figure. Suppose this is a circle. We have given P is the center of the circle and AB, we have given coordinates of point P. P is the center of circle and AB is its diameter. Find the coordinates of point B. If the coordinates of point A and P are, coordinates of point A are 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 and P are minus 2 0. Now we consider coordinates of point P are x2, y2. Now from this we see from this figure P is the center of this diameter, center of circle, and AB is diameter. Therefore P is the midpoint of segment AB. Therefore by using midpoint formula, we know midpoint formula is x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now here, first we consider let P of minus 2 0, P of minus 2 0 is equivalent to P of xy is the center of the circle, and A of 2 minus 3 is equivalent to A of x1 y1 and B of x2 y2 are the coordinates of point A and B. If coordinates of A and B and A of 2 minus 3 is equivalent to A of x1 y1 and B of x2 y2. Now here P is the center of circle. P is the center of circle. P is the center of circle and AB is its diameter. AB is its diameter. Therefore, by P is the midpoint of segment AB. Therefore, P is the midpoint of segment AB. Therefore, by midpoint formula, now this x coordinate, or first write down midpoint formula is x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now here value of x is minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to x1 is 2 plus x2 divided by 2. Here value of y is 0 is equal to y1. y1 is minus 3 plus y2 divided by 2. Therefore 2 plus x2 taking cross multiplication is equal to minus 4. x2 is equal to minus 4 plus 2 becomes minus 2. Therefore x2 is equal to minus 6. Here taking cross multiplication 0, that is minus 3 plus y2 is equal to 0. Therefore y2 is equal to minus becomes plus 3. We get values of x2 and y2, and values of x2 and y2 are is the coordinates of point B. Therefore the coordinates of point B are minus 6, 3. For the सोडवले example, अगोदर आपण consider के let P of minus 2, 0 is equivalent to P of xy is the center of circle, and we have given A of 2 minus 3. We consider this as x1 y1 and B of x2 y2. Now P is the center of circle and AB is its diameter. Therefore P is the midpoint of segment AB. Therefore by midpoint formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now by solving these equations we get values of x2 y2, and x2 y2 म्हणजेच काय, coordinates of point B. Question number 5. Find the ratio in which point P of K7 divides the segment joining the segment joining, divide the segment joining A of 8, 9, A of 8, 9 and B of 1, 2, B of 1, 2, also find K. Also find K. Now here, find the ratio in which point P of K7 divides the segment joining the points, these 2 points. First we have to find the ratio and then find the value of K. Now here first we consider let P of K7 is equivalent to P of XY divide the segment, the line segment joining the points A of 8, 9 is equivalent to A of X1, Y1 and B of 1, 2 is equivalent to B of X2, Y2 in the ratio M is to N. Therefore, now first we have to find ratio. Therefore, take this value of Y. कारण आपल्याला K माहिती नाही. Therefore, we take value for by using Y coordinate we find the ratio M is to N. Therefore, bisection formula. Y coordinate y is equal to mx2 my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Now here y coordinate is 7. Therefore 7 is equal to value of m. We have to find value of m. M into y2 is 2 plus n into y1 is 9 divided by m plus n. Taking cross multiplication, that is 7m plus 7n is equal to 2m plus 9n. Now take terms of m to the left hand side. 7m minus 2m is equal to 9n plus becomes minus 7n. Therefore 5m is equal to 2n. Therefore value of m upon n is equal to 2 upon 5. Therefore the ratio is m is to n is equal to 2 upon 2 is to 5. This is the first part. First we have to find the ratio. This is the first part. And we have to find, now we have to find value of k. Therefore write down this for value of k. Therefore x is equal to, again use this section formula. X is equal to, section formula is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Now x coordinate, here x coordinate is k. Therefore k is equal to, value of m is 2 into x2. What is value of x2? 1 plus n is 5 into value of x1 is 8 divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 5. Therefore 2 plus 5 7. 7k is equal to 2 plus 40. Therefore 7k is equal to 42. K is equal to 42 upon 7. Therefore value of k is equal to 6. Therefore answer is the ratio m is to n is equal to 2 is to 5 and the value of k is 6.